Welcome back my beautiful friend, here with Max the Italiano, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful creation, coconut pyramids, something really simple, easy to make, but just amazing. With the cherry on the cake, as you can see, the gold, it's just so nice. And now, let's start! What a nice day today, my beautiful friend, to make with you this beautiful recipe. I wanna start to talk a bit about the ingredients. Let's start from the egg white. Cold egg whites. I wanna keep the temperature of the dough low. Icing sugar. I suggest you to use icing sugar more than the granulated sugar. The texture is gonna be completely different. Applesauce. I like applesauce more than a jam or a marmalade. It contains just 26% of sugar instead of 50-55 that you can find in a marmalade or in a simple jam. It gives a nice kick. I'm talking about acidity. This is the best for me. Shredded coconut, unsweetened. Unsweetened because we already have 60 grams of sugar. I don't want to add more sugar in the recipe. This is really important. And last but not least, water. This is what I'm going to use later in order to shape the dough into very beautiful pyramids. And guys, if you keep watching the video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. We start pouring the egg white into the bowl and icing sugar. At this stage, we need a scale. We have to add in the mix 8 grams of applesauce. And then, when you have this beautiful consistency, creamy and not lumpy, we can add the coconut. This one, my beautiful friend, is what you are looking for. A nice and beautiful consistency. When the dough holds its shape, it means that it's perfectly ready. First of all, I'm going to make small balls that have to weigh 20 grams each. So I'm gonna have a beautiful and nice result in the end, because all the pyramids are going to be the same size. Now, my friend, dampen your hand and let's start to turn this ball into a pyramid shape. As soon as you shape in your hands into a pyramid, this is gonna be the result. It's nice, beautiful, elegant, but you need to squeeze a bit the top, otherwise. In this way, we cook evenly. They are perfectly ready to go in the oven for about 8 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And at this stage I wanna give you one more tip. If you see that the back line of your coconut pyramids are getting too golden brown because they are the closest to the fan of your oven, simply turn them. In this way they will cook properly and you will have a beautiful and nice result.
A few moments later.
And guys, they have just come out from the oven and I'm really excited. Now, let's start to decorate them. Jelly in your hand and pasted brush. We are almost there, but not yet. Never forget the 24 karat gold leaf, real gold, edible. This is what you want in order to give the right kick to them, to look completely elegant. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, never touch with your hand the gold. You need a professional tweezer. In this case I'm using a small professional kitchen tweezer. You need just to take a small piece of it and place on your small desserts. And this, guys, is how they look. They are simply amazing. Guys, I wanna just say thank you, all of you, and let's give a bite. I ate this piece in 3 seconds. Melt in your mouth. It melts in your mouth. I wanna say it twice because it's really nice. It's almost, I wanna say creamy. Look at the bottom, how dark it is. This is full of flavor. Guys, I wanna say thank you again to all of you. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video next week.